Magandang araw mga bata! Ngayon naman, tingnan natin kung gaano kayo kagaling sa pagbigkas ng salitang may dalawang pantig. Magkakaroon kayo ng 100 salita na iyong bibigkasin ng malakas at maliwanag. Bawat bilang ay kailangang bigkasin sa loob ng 3 segundo. Number 1. Number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Congratulations! If you got a perfect score, you will be considered as a certified Filipino language reader 1. Congratulations!